And this is my chestnut peeler. It's an old food processor that is rebuilt. Well, actually the only two things I've made is a PVC pipe that fits just snug around the knives. And then I made this little thing that overrides the security. It needs to be attached to the PVC pipe with a string, so you can't have the motor running, like I show you now, without the pipe on. So please be careful when you build this. Depending on the size of your food processor, the machine can process up to about 200 grams of chestnuts per batch. As you can see, almost all the shell and membrane has been cut off the chestnut, almost without any loss of the edible part of the chestnut. It's very easy to separate the shell and membrane from the chestnut. Just rinse it under running water and the shells will float and the chestnuts will sink. Enjoy your chestnuts, either browned in butter and sugar, as chestnut cream, as a filling in meatloaf, just to name a few ways to use them.